Last seen not showing on Messenger? Well, let me help you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Messenger issue if it is not showing last seen. Now, as you open Messenger, you'll get an interface like this. And here, if you open up the profile, you can see the active status, or you can say when they were last seen. Now, a couple of reasons you can't see your last seen on your device is if you go ahead and go to your settings right here, and here you'll get the option active status. Now, if your active status is off, then you won't be able to see any of your friends' active status. Now, as you can see, the active status is not shown. So make sure you have toggled on your active status right here so that you can be able to view others' active status as well. Now, the other reason you can't see the last seen is if they have toggled off the same function or their account. If they have turned off their active status on Facebook or Messenger, you won't be able to see last seen. Now, if both is not the issue and you still can't see the last seen, then head over to your Google Play Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. If your app isn't updated, update it. And if it still doesn't work, then go ahead to your settings and go to apps. And once on apps, search for Messenger and open it and go ahead to storage and try clearing the cache and the data. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.